Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Islamic Compass. Today, we'll guide you through the beautiful process of Salah, step by step, to help you perfect your prayer and connect deeply with Allah, SWT. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your practice, this video is for you. Segment 1. The importance of Salah. Salah is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, a daily act of devotion that strengthens our bond with Allah. The Quran reminds us in Surah Al-Baqarah 245, seek help through patience and prayer. Performing Salah correctly ensures we fulfill this obligation in its purest form. Segment 2. Preparing for Salah. Before praying, ensure your body, clothes, and place of prayer are clean. Start with Wudu, which is a purification ritual. Say Bismillah before washing your hands, mouth, nose, face, arms, wiping your head, ears, and feet. Remember, a sincere niyah, or intention, is the foundation of Salah. Segment 3. Step-by-step prayer guide. 1. Facing the Qibla. Stand facing the Qibla in Mecca. This shows unity in worship. 2. Takbir, start of Salah. Raise your hands to your ears and say Allahu Akbar. 3. Qiyam, standing. Recite Surah Al-Fatiha, followed by another surah, such as Al-Ikhlas. 4. Ruku, bowing with hands on knees. Say
Subhana Rabbiyal Azim.
3 times. Number 5. Sujud, prostration. Prostrating with forehead on the ground. Say
Subhana Rabbiyal Ala.
3 times while in sujud. Number 6. Tashahhud, sitting and pointing finger during tashahhud. Recite the tashahhud and any supplications you know. Number 7. Tasleem, ending Salah. End by turning your head to the right and left, saying
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Segment 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Sometimes, we might rush through Salah or skip essential parts like ruku or sujud. Remember, quality is more important than speed. Focus on your posture and recitation. Segment 5. Benefits of praying correctly. When performed with sincerity and focus, Salah brings peace, strengthens faith, and purifies the soul. It's not just an act of worship, but a conversation with our Creator. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic content. May Allah accept your prayers and guide us all to the straight path. Assalamu alaikum.